Hey everyone, this is V again. Just thought I'd share my evening plans here for dinner. It's gonna be a Mediterranean style, and I use Mediterranean loosely, but we're gonna do some shish kebabs and flatbread, tzatziki sauce. I think that's probably the only closest thing to Mediterranean is to be the tzatziki sauce, but thought I'd share, see how it comes out, and boom, here we go. These are the ingredients that I will use today, except for that gum. Ignore that gum. It's not part of this recipe. But this, I'm gonna show you what I got in the pantry over there as far as any additional seasonings that I will use. But this is the bulk of it. Okay, and everything is done. Let's go ahead and put it together. So I'm just gonna put the tzatziki sauce on first, like that. Some of the greens. And then just reach in there and do a little bit of everything. Some chicken, some beef, some shrimp. And then just a little bit of not blue cheese, feta cheese. And that's it. We're gonna dig in. Thanks for watching.